Okay, hi guys, it's Rain and today I'm going to be showing you how to bathe a dog. Leahy.
A wet rat.
Yeah. Ratty. Come here, Lou. I haven't bathed her yet. I don't know if she's ratty or not. So.
She's like, I don't know, I've never actually bathed her.
Alright, come here, girl. Bean, come here, bud.
Her name is Leahy, not Bean, just so you are all aware.
Leahy, come here, girl.
I just call her Bean.
Alright, so first what you're obviously going to do is you're going to want to get your dog wet. Because you don't want to put soap on them. Sorry, Bean. There you go. Bean is like her nickname, right?
Yeah.
Sorry, sweetie. Should I do her neck too or no?
Don't do her face, because I know.
Yeah, I won't do her face. No. Come here, Luna. Good. So you're just going to get... Sweetie, come here. It's not that bad. Shaking already. Come here. Come here, Bean. No, Leahy. I'm just going to keep on getting her wet. Sorry, girl. Oh, I'm starting to think I should go in there with her. But I don't want to. Oh, sorry, sweetheart.
You can if you want.
Oh, I'm not going in there.
I would.
Oh, I will. It's just I'm wearing these, like, fluffy pants. They absorb liquid very easily, and it's very hard to get off. No, Bean. Bean, get off. Sweetie. Let me quickly do her legs, too. Come here, Bean. Sorry, darling. I know.
I think you've rinsed her enough.
Yeah, I know.
Hey.
Oh, hey, Bean. Off. Good girl. Alright, where's the shampoo?
It's right there.
Okay, so I can get it open. So you're going to grab a nice little bit of shampoo. It depends on how big your dog is. Leaky. Stop it.
But wait.
Bean. Oh, I'm soaking already. Okay, so it depends on how big your dog is. If it's huge,
You can do more.
Oh, okay. I'll start off with this for now. I'm going to rub it on your hand so it's kind of like you're shampooing yourself when you're shampooing
Stop
your dog.
it.
No, Bean. See, this feels nice now. Good girl. Should I do her stomach too or no?
Yeah.
Alright, and I'm just going to reach under and do her stomach too. Just because I want to get her all nice and clean. Even though she's going to be yours. No. Leahy.
Push her down. Don't let her do that.
I know. I'm just getting her plastic. Nope. No, girl. You are a brat for bathing, aren't you? Silly goose. I could put even a bit more soap on her. I think I am. No. Bean, stop it. I'm not going to... Ugh. Right at me, thanks. Leahy. Don't like you anymore. I'm just kidding, girl. I love you. No. I'm going to stand right in her way. Miss Brady. So we're just going to rub the soap all over her. Even her stomach, her armpits. Down here. Good girl, Leahy. Now we're just going to kind of rinse. No, Bean. I'm calling her Leahy and then I'm calling her Bean. She's probably really confusing. Come here, Bean. Shh. There, doesn't that feel nice? Come here. Sweetie pie, come here. Come here, you. See, that's better. I recommend very much if this is your first time bathing a dog, keep them on the leash and bathe them outside, probably.
Oh, I think like we've always bathed our dogs outside in a tub, but they're small.
Yeah. My dogs, we bathe them with a hose because they're too big to fit in the tub. Oh, come here, Bean. Come here, sweetie. Almost done. Come here.
She feels like she's got most of the soap.
No, that felt like it was really fast.
Yeah, she's a lot smaller than Snickers.
Come here, Leahy. No, Bean.
No, sorry.
Come here, Lucy. Baby.
Hey.
Off. Alright. Snickers is right there. You can hear him. Come here, girl.
Just so you know, I'm holding her nose because if you hold a dog's nose, it'll stop them from shaking. I don't really want her shaking.
No. Bean, stop it. Okay, I think that's good. Should I shampoo her again just to make sure?
No, it's fine.
Alright. Should I start
Okay.
getting her then?
Yeah, so grab one.
No, Bean.
Grab one of our towels.
Alright, I'm gonna grab it.
Oh.
Bean! Hey, enough! And we're gonna start rinsing out the tub.
No, we don't need to. We don't need to rinse out the tub.
No, I mean like get all the water out of the tub. Bean. Bad. No. And then once most of the water's out, you're going to like unwrap your towel. No. We're gonna rinse you off in the bath first. There we go. There we go. See, doesn't that feel nice, sweetie girl?
Oh.
Come here, you. No. Okay, I've got her. I've got her captive.
Okay, so that's pretty much the end of this video.
I guess.
So she's just gonna wipe off the dog, and I'm gonna do her outro. Okay, so bye guys. Have a good day. Be good. Eat cheese.
No!
Do everything you normally would. Love dogs. Love horses. Goodbye.